so many animals here, like deer and bear and moose, that I just can't risk letting her off her lead. And she just keeps getting sense of things. Hey, Sojou? Sojou? Sojou, no, I can't go any further. I have to go this way. Come with me here. Oh, whoa. You can go along here. Go along here. Are you going in the water again? I get enough of it. It's deep here, you'll have to swim. You can see there's an animal run here. Oh, what are you doing? Get your head out of there. Come on, out, out, out of there. I don't know what it is. Get your head out of there. Oh my gosh. Oh, holy cow, what was that? Massive hole. She had her whole face in it. Obviously something there.